Akalain mo yun, no? Unang vlog natin sa Canada. Alam mo anong nangyari? Pauwi ako galing gym. Then suddenly pagdaan ko sa isang street. Medyo maambon eh. Pagdaan ko sa isang kalsada. May napulot ako. Look. iPhone. Actually ano siya eh. Ewan ko kung anong unit to. iPhone 13 ba to or... Tingnan nyo guys. Kita nyo. Siguro kung nalaglag to sa sasakyan niya. Oh. Kita nyo yung scratches. Gumagana pa naman siya. Antay lang natin na tumawag yung may-ari, no? iPhone 13 na ata to. Hindi ko lang sure. Tingnan yung camera. Sa mga iPhone users dyan. Baka ma-recognize nyo kung ano to. Model. Sayang. Siguro nung nahulog na naapakan pa ng gulong. Tingnan yung screen, no? Sayang. Pero magagawa pa naman natin siguro to. Wait lang natin na tumawag yung may-ari, no? Kasi hindi naman sa atin to eh. Hindi ko lang sure kung lalaki ba o babae yung may-ari. Napaka-basic ng niya eh. Wallpaper eh. Tsaka naka-French. Kasi nasa Quebec province tayo. So naka-French yung niya. Siguro French yung may-ari. May mga messages pa siya sa Messenger. Tapos may text. Actually dami oh. Baka pa naman yung screen niya. Baka maya-maya siguro tatawag yung may-ari. Akalain nyo yun. Unang vlog natin sa Canada. Nakapulot agad tayo ng phone. Yun nga lang, kailangan natin isuli kasi hindi sa atin to eh. Hindi ganun ang mga Pinoy. Ay nako. Anyway, I'll be waiting for your call, sir or ma'am. Kung sino ka man. Dito lang to. Wait natin, maya-maya. Tatawag siguro yan. Sayang talaga, nang hinayang ako. Oh. Daming kak talaga ng screen niya. Kita nyo. Magagawa pa kaya ito? Sayang. Guys, tumatawag na. Papa. Ay! Hala. Pwede kayong tawagan ulit ito. Ay! Pinatay agad. Hintayin natin baka tumawag ulit. Guys, ito na. Mason. Hello? Yeah, hello, good evening. Do you speak English? Yes, madam. I saw it on the street. That's why I'm waiting for a call. Before I, sorry. Yeah. Yes, madam. Of course. I'll give you the address. Can you write it down? Okay, it's 609. Franklin Street. Franklin. Yes, Franklin. Sorry. Yes, Franklin Street. Okay. It was a corner between Renault. Sorry? Yeah, it's a house. Okay, madam. Just tell him to call this number when he is outside, okay? Okay. Okay, I'll wait for the call. Okay, bye-bye. Yung mama siguro yun. Balik tatawag yung papa pag nasa labas na. Lagot yung bata na yun. Lagot siya dito. Tingnan nyo. Ito kasi yung concern ko eh. Yan o. Kita nyo to. Yan. Mukhang may mapapalong bata mamaya. Yan. Tumatawag na yung papa. Hello, good evening. Hello, hello sir. Can you speak English? Yeah, hello. Hello.
Oui, j'appelle pour le cellulaire, c'est mon fils qui est parti sur le cellulaire.
Sir.
Il est chez vous, le présentement.
Désolé, my French is not good. But I will go outside now. Hello, you speak English? Okay, are you outside now? Okay, okay. Kindly wait, I will go outside. Okay, sorry. Just a moment. Yep. Here it is. Hello. Good evening. I saw this on the road there,
Yeah.
but he see, we are probably on the screen.
Okay.
Maybe some car passed on the
That's
phone.
over there. Oh,
Yeah, but
thank you very much.
maybe you could replace this screen.
Yeah, but at
But be
least
careful. How old is your son?
he's handicapped. He's
That's why.
with a wheelchair,
Okay.
so that's why it
You fall down.
fall down. Yeah.
Okay. Just be careful with this one. Maybe it might.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hey?
Yeah.
Yeah, my son had a big accident.
Today?
No.
Before?
15 years ago.
Oh,
He have been beaten by Indian
Indian?
in the head, and he had a trauma. He was 3 months in a coma, and now he doesn't walk, and that's the reality.
So sorry to hear it.
In
I'm sorry to hear
2009, yeah.
Indians?
Here in town. He was my son was a nurse. He was a nurse, a man nurse, and he was working at the hospital. And after that, all his life is finished.
Too bad to hear that, sir.
This is my son when he was. This is my kids. C'est ça que je peux pas le trouver. Donc we can go to the page.
Photos?
Page.
Ah,
It's my son and my daughter.
Oh,
But now we don't work anymore.
no family.
Right?
He didn't married anyone. He still he didn't married someone or.
He was with the girls, but she left too. And when a handicap, it's
Yeah,
not.
it's hard.
I have a picture of him. You're gonna meet him for sure in town because he's rolling a lot in town. It's him.
Okay.
It's him.
Yeah.
So this is a driven by electricity.
Yeah.
These things.
He roam around sometimes.
Yeah, very often.
Yeah.
This is my. He's still there with me.
Yep.
This is my daughter. I have some picture of him, some other picture of him. But you're gonna meet him for sure in town.
Yeah. What's his name?
Charles
Charles.
Dubé.
Charles.
Do we always show something for that? Because
No, sir.
eh,
It's
you're
all right.
You're a gentleman.
Yes.
You're a gentleman. I'm gonna show you a picture of him. Another. I have plenty. That's when they was young. Jeez. It's him again. Oh, that's the one I just showed you.
Yeah.
He have a cat at home, you know, because he's alone in his apartment.
He's not living with you?
Hey?
He's
No,
not living
no,
with
no.
Oh,
No, he's living in his house. He had a house before his accident.
okay. So he's living by himself now. Nobody's with him.
Yeah, but we take care of him, you know.
Okay. You go there
Make
sometime.
meals and but he's living in his apartment,
Mm,
but he's not full independent,
okay.
autonomous.
Okay.
He's very dependent.
That's good. I have to meet him.
you.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Actually, I'm doing a video here. Can I show you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
I will start a YouTube vlog. It's my first time to do a video here in Canada because I just arrived last February. It's my 3 months here.
Yeah, which country you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Oh, I go to AW every mornings,
There's a lot of Filipinos there.
and they are Filipinos. Yeah. Salamat.
You're welcome, sir.
Salamat.
You're
Salamat.
welcome. Walang anuman.
Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you
sir.
very much.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you. Welcome in Canada.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy your time here.
Yes, sir.
And I thought you're gonna bring your family.
I hope so. Maybe in a few years.
You have kids.
I had 2 kids.
They are still over there.
Sorry.
They are still over there.
Yeah,
in
still in the
Philippines.
Philippines. But maybe in a few years they will be here.
A friend of mine is married with a Filipino
Ah,
girls
yeah.
from Philippines, and he speak good Filipino.
Yeah.
He speak very good.
Mm.
He's living here. He's in charge of Tata Steel. I don't know if you know
Tata,
that.
like Tata Motors or no?
Yeah,
Okay. Like
but Tata
big cars.
Motors. It's a department with Tata Steel. It's,
Mm.
They are taking iron ore, and they are making some things with that.
So it's still the same company.
Yeah, yeah. But it's like a branch of Tata Steel, Tata Motor,
Okay.
big company, eh? From India.
Yeah, I know. India. Tata Motors are brand from the India. I know.
Your name
It's a big
again?
company. I'm Jeff.
Jeff,
Yes, sir.
may I take a picture
Yeah, sure.
of you?
Yeah,
Or
sure.
both of us?
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
And
Sorry.
you can show it to Shal.
Yeah, yeah. And he got a good memory for things like that. Yeah. Gonna take a selfie,
Yeah.
both of us. I'm gonna check if it's good. Oh yes.
Yeah.
And your name again?
Jeff.
Jeff.
It's actually Jeffrey, but you
Jeff.
can call me Jeff for short.
Okay, Jeff.
Yeah. How about you, sir? Your name?
Andre.
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 My boss is Andre also. You know PGL? I work at Pointes.
PGL, yeah.
Yeah.
You're working there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I go there for my tires.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe I could meet you in this.
Oh,
In,
you're right.
before-
Andre is the boss there.
Yeah, Andre Bouchard.
Yeah. I know his father is dead.
Yeah. That's why he handed over the business to.
Yeah. He had a good father, but he's dead of a cancer, blood cancer.
Sir?
Jeff,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
So you find it on the road?
Yep. Actually, this Evangeline or yeah, I just came from the gym.
Okay.
I had to walk up to here. Yeah.
You came from the gym. You're making a.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah. That's why you have big arm.
Maybe. So when I saw it on the street, I'm afraid to pick it up because I don't know who
Yeah.
owns the phone. But I'm afraid maybe one car might pass by or maybe he could run over the phone and it might get damaged much more.
I'm sure my kid's gonna come to say you thank you. Can I have your phone number?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Yun na nga, no. Nasuli na natin yung phone. Kaso, nalungkot naman ako dun sa kwento ng tatay. Yung mayari pala ng phone na yon, handicap. Hindi inborn. Actually, last 2009 ata, based dun sa Iwan ko na rin yun dun sa video. 2009 ata. Nagtatrabaho siya as a nurse. Tapos, binugbog daw ng mga Indians. Mga Indiano. Siguro nadali yung ulo. Kaya yun, wala. Nasira yung buhay niya. Hindi na siya makalakad na maayos. Wala, andun. Pinakita niya nga sa akin yung picture. Siya, yung parang electric na parang wheelchair na electric. Yun na yung buhay niya ngayon. Dahil lang sa sa ibang tao na ewan ko, masyadong nakakalungkot lang. Nalungkot talaga ako sa kwento niya. Ako. Tumatawag tayo. Hello? 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 Yes, hello, good evening.
Hi Jeff, my father give me the phone.
Yeah.
I lost a little bit before,
Mm.
and I want to say thank you.
You're welcome,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.
You're welcome. No worries.
You're very cool. If you want to go to see me, I live in the 873 Decade, appartement 2.
872?
873 Decade, appartement 2.
Okay, got it. 873?
Yes, 873.
Okay. What's the street?
Yes, in the Rue de Quai. You can come to see me if you want, and I say thank you for the phone.
Okay, maybe one of these days I will visit you there. Okay, this is Charles, right?
Salamat.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Actually, tumawag nga siya. Kasi hiningin ng papa niya yung number ko. Yun. Gusto niya bisitahin ko siya. Siguro, in a few days, vlog natin yan. Pasyal tayo sa kanya. Nakakatuwa lang na nakakatuwa lang yung nangyari ngayong araw. Nakakatuwa na nakakalungkot. Ay nako, hindi ko may paliwanag yung yung feeling ba. Oo, nakatulong tayo, ganyan. Pero, dun sa istorya ng tao, nalungkot ako. Ayoko kasing nakaka-rinig or nakakita ng mga ganyang senaryo na parang basta malulungkot. Ay, medyo mabigat na yung natin usapan. Update ko kayo sa mga gustong makanood ng update dun sa pagbisita natin kay Charles. Stay tuned lang. Comment down kung gusto nyong pumunta tayo doon or mag-vlog tayo doon. Sige, try natin. Sakto second vlog natin. Medyo exciting. Okay guys, yun lang muna for now. See you in my next vlog. Pag nagustuhan nyo to, comment lang kayo. Then, update ko kayo. Next vlog, punta tayo doon kay Charles. Peace. Bye for now.